couple days ago, my comments got spammed with one of those classic YouTube spam bots advertising a giveaway. I thought it would be kind of fun to message it, so in today's video, I am going to be contacting myself and seeing if I can win this giveaway. The first thing that I need to do, of course, is to go through and make a fake name. That fake name I picked was Christopher Eckhart, and I figured that was a weird enough, unique name that there shouldn't be any confusion. I especially picked a weird spelling because I figured it would prevent any confusion. If I didn't win the giveaway, that's pretty clear. So this person had in their, their title, make sure you message Jay's Tech Vault on Telegram. Well, which is kind of difficult because I don't actually have a Telegram. But I went through and I messaged, the classic, OMG, I'm a big fan. Oh my. Sounds pretty egotistical to be a fan of yourself, but for the context of this video, so I messaged this lovely person and wait a few hours. I thought they actually didn't see what I said. And basically they said that they need a screenshot of confirmation. Now I had already gone through and wiped the comments of all this fake giveaway stuff. And I basically said that, oh no, I can't find the comment. Anyway, so they said I won the giveaway, which is great, which I get an iPhone 13 Pro Max, a PlayStation 5, a MacBook Pro, 2 hoodies, and limited edition stickers. It's like, what, $2,000? I'm sorry, I don't actually, believe it or not, make enough money that that's realistically possible. So now they ask for my shipping address. Now, I give them my P.O. box, which y'all probably already know if you go on my Twitter or anything. But I give them my P.O. box, and I say, hey, here's my P.O. box, which I don't think they even bother to check. And it's also really suspicious that they ask for your address first before they give you the, anything else. They're like, oh yeah, ask for your address. And then what actually ended up happening is the guy said, oh, you need to ship it. Now, real quick, this is where the fun begins. Because rather than being the typical person that knows this is a scam, yes, this is a scam, and they're trying to do this, I was like, I'm Jay's Tech Vault. This person says they're Jay's Tech Vault, and they're saying I need to pay money for the scale, or pay money to get my stuff. So Jay's Tech Vault says you don't need to pay shipping. I thought this would be explicitly obvious that this guy was getting trolled, but basically he says you need to pay money for shipping. But I'm Jay's Tech Vault, so I just take a play button, take a picture, and say, winners of giveaways on Telegram don't need to pay shipping. I think it should be pretty obvious that, you're getting trolled, right? I think it's about time that I tell them, it doesn't matter, because Jay's Tech Vault told me that I don't have to pay shipping. You will see the farther along we go in the video of just how, I think stupid this person is or does not have an adequate language understanding of English. However, I can indicate that they are likely not native English speakers because some of the stuff that I said is pretty explicitly done in English, and especially some of the videos that I'm going to send. I'll record one in a sec, and that video is not something they can just easily Google Translate. So I think the fact that they weren't able to decipher that means they probably aren't native English speakers. So I made sure I understood the question, that it's just tax I have to pay, supposedly, and to make sure I include that in my picture. So I understood what I need to take a picture of. Now let's do that real quick.
I think the best thing to do right now is to go through and write a sheet of paper saying that Jay's Tech Vault on Telegram covers all costs with my play button in the background, and send it to him and see what his reaction is. I think that's justified. I think writing on a sheet of paper here, Jay's Tech Vault covers all taxes with the play button would be a very good thing to send him.
And then I sent this picture to this dude of my face, the play button with Jay's Tech Vault in the background. And he says, yes, I did. I said that I was going to pay for shipping, but I'm basically, you have to pay for shipping anyway. Which it just blows me away that people fall for this kind of stuff. And it makes me especially aggravated when people use my likeness, my channel, to make videos, or use my channel and my likeness to scam you guys.
So he's returned.
So next casual thing to go through is just to go through and take another picture, because he says that I need to pay for, I believe, shipping and import fees this time. So we just take another picture, say Jay's Tech Vault. Well, says you don't need to pay for those. You know, just pulling up the receipts that I'm making out of thin air. I really find it obvious that this, or like weird that this guy actually never realized what he was doing. If you ever see a comment bot that's not got the verified logo on the bottom, it's probably not me. So I send this to this guy again. I send it off. Tap, tap, tap. And, well, it's a giveaway. You are not paying for any of the items, is the response that he gives me. Which, in the past for giveaways, I've had people that are overseas that are like, in like other countries that shipping is absorbently expensive, often like 5 times more expensive than like the computer that I'm doing. And in those cases, it's not particularly beneficial to do shipping. But I'm in the US. Jay's Tech Vault, the channel, at least on like Social Blade, is in the US. So I basically just pulled out some receipts out of my bum and also dropped those down for this guy to see. And I figured that would be pretty obvious to go through and, well, see what he says after I've pretty much covered all my bases, that you don't need to pay for fees, pay for shipping, pay for all that. And I think it's time that we give the scammer the notification that he's been fooled.
So I think finally I'm going to go through and just say I don't own a Telegram account and send him a video of that and see what happens. So whoever is running the Jay's Tech Vault Telegram account, hi, this is Jay's Tech Vault. I don't seem to be talking to myself, so that would imply that whoever I am sending this message to has gotten pranked really hard. I would like to let you know that Telegram is involved, and they are looking into your account. I wish you the best of luck wherever that takes you, and thank you for being the star of the video. It'll make a really good one. I'll probably make lots of money off of you. Thank you very much for your help. I appreciate it a whole lot.
And then I sent it off to the scammer. Now, as you might have heard, I did mention that Telegram was involved, and I casually contacted them out of the blue, thinking they weren't actually going to get a response back to me or anything like that. And apparently they're like investigating it as like a recent scam ring that's going on. So apparently they're taking it seriously. I don't know how serious it is. The account might still be up. I haven't bothered to check. I'm making this video, so there should be no doubt that Telegram accounts at Jay's Tech Vault, they ain't me. And as you can see, the guy's read it now. And this is where I think that this guy does not have, or girl, or it, does not have a competent understanding of the English language, which, nothing wrong with not having a competent understanding of the English language. It's pretty rough, actually. However, this is a scammer. This boy does not have a competent understanding of the English language. So, let's, this, as I said, none of this slang that he's saying, you know, get pranked, bro, El Bozo, as in like Bozo the Clown. And I'm ready. This is where we drop the big climax. I am Jay's Tech Vault, and you are clearly not me. So that presents quite a problem, doesn't it? And of course, to our lovely commenter, one of the commenters that let me know that we had a little bit of a problem here, I made sure that I gave him an appropriate comment and said, thanks, I just got done taking care of the issue. If you guys ever go and you see someone in the comments impersonating me that's either not directly from the channel with the verified logo, or directly from my jstechvault@gmail.com email, and even then, I would be suspicious. Always be suspicious. I think that's good advice for anything. This channel specializes in scams, and I really think it's kind of funny that the scammer chose a scam-specialized channel to scam. Like, what did you think was going to happen? I want to let you know that I care about each of you very deeply, and especially care about my image in regards to when it comes to scamming. I, of course, would like to let you all know that if you ever have any doubts about whether or not something's legit, you can always ask for a picture of my face if you're really concerned about it. However, Discord is a viable option. There are plenty of servers in the description, and honestly, a lot of those I am surprised by how many people don't actually realize how accessible I am on those Discord servers. The Minecraft server that I play on with like viewers that like just fill out a form, takes like 10 minutes. People play like Minecraft with me. All that is extremely accessible for you, the viewer. I guess a lot of people just don't know about it. So if you ever want to get in contact with me, my email, anything like that, that is available and accessible to you if you have any questions about anything that's going on. And of course, if you find something stupid or another scam bot, let me know, and we'll see if we can take care of them. Thank you guys very much for watching, and of course, thank you all for letting me know that there was some shenanigans going on so we could properly handle the situation.